Hello. 101.5 FM.
Duma ye waje tender was settled already in Obuase. I had the live commentary near the air bro. Can I Tobino have by the Otaba Rabia to Otaba Margaret Na Shadrach Kwame Walda Steve Asab Queen the Starboy Rico Poku Jr. And Afe a branch and Dini Kwame Walda will make sure say live on Facebook. Hello 101.5 FM Weekend Power Sports 8 minutes past 10 0265170336. Mr. Mwadin Chanimra Facebook Susua. Your fan page obetime review comments nyina wo ho. Emi pe me beko akofa ne ade nyina nso aba. Alhaji Baba Shai enso betena se de ama Glorious Accra Hearts of Folk. And afeye ne osesi be nso beba na for the kotoko nsem ne bia beka Edmonaka de no ho. Nemo mo chena Baba Yara Sports Stadium is the venue. Kumasi Asante Kotoko representing Ghana. Wamone Kano Pillars omufi Nigeria. And the scoreline, first leg scoreline, no, 3-2 in favor of Kano Pillars. Obibeka say quite easier for Kotoko to qualify. Obisubetro say quite easier for Kano Pillars to come and upset Kotoko. Yemom say no eko jina Baba Yara Sports Stadium koto nyom. Eko bomodin bo Kotoko chidomi ya. Jidi say Kano Pillars won be unsampa Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Any Sani Abacha Stadium no enyepe. Almost stadium no is about 15,000 capacity. Way is about 40,000 capacity. Now imagine on a Sunday after yenya ya share red ko jain. Na ye ne koso. Kano Pillars from Sampoma Bagana. 9 minutes past the hour 10 in the AM Saturday morning, 24th day of August 2019. I was sure for your chance here. What did I know do Safonka? What Edmonaka Sonka? Now you better Mr. Kwame Chinua could you say we see you Desert Lion Company Limited. Was sorry, Entino Yabe Traso na Yamsia be dear ball home como if say Ghana high sports no Black Stars, I was say Pukusha Black Stars GC. Edmond Nakati or ye Black Stars team B official. But meet me akasi in Pianica for some time now. For some time now. I want Black Stars team.
I heard they say in Tiaka. I heard it.
Oh, yeah,
I feel over tournament. I guess it be our video account. The Asa Bibia and Kafuna
technical team of the Black Stars. Yet you Moka.
Where look at Blaster B.
Technical team of the Black Stars. Technical team of the Black Stars. Yet you Moka.
And they may
so can be
no. Moke be nye ye.
But Kotoko Jesse no say me nyɛ.
Yeton.
Unya Jesse ni bi.
Yeton.
Nti na mato we ahye no. Nti Jesse am parliament no.
Wo toy.
We toy.
Na Kennedy Boachi asaka say odi.
Modi result team.
Kennedy kaso di brain.
Kennedy. Kennedy me wonu blache.
Sir. Oh. Well, Mami Shasi FM for Ansana.
Chips are Yeton.
We there Eric. Eric.
Egypt no come.
I'm about some people junior or mechanic chips are said me buy him so here package Abrero FM.
Okay.
Mechanic
chips. Bisa.
Yellow, green no, yellow no.
Me yellow name
red and a white no. Makwa kwa.
Okay.
I said green come on 120.
Na ani na no price why pro Kotoko pa. I say this alone.
Kotoko ni.
Me Kotoko ni na juma na me.
The Peter Kenyon Junior of Ghana football. We are professional.
Me yema juma dia.
We are professional.
Me yema juma dia.
We are professional.
Kotoko ni nkrofobia mo Kotoko. Na Kotoko ni brekum Chelsea dia. Mo brekum Chelsea 100%.
Oh, emi ase Baba Shantinas. We say we want me yehu.
Sabo only ka say ba ho.
Catch me.
Say we bana mo say ye ro so already so a we say aka no nkofo kwa nenya we say
ni transition
say unu ke bo banda yes say obese guitar na supporting one
supporting vocals supporting vocals
lead vocal no one here supporting you on touching no people.
Anyway briefly answer na me call na nane aka ho no briefly ma me bisa wiki mete splitting gaka na is about what
so me did say na wo hide we no more into it more because here no there reporters na my report bia na ati bia ati how dey can be German na said be na wo hide na betimi achirim because you see obi ni ko ebi to stadium ni am kwan e na ebi so akokọ ebi to ha yes ga kan kwa no emu achimienu you see Randia be on the part ebi some bebre but some person me kanama katiamo no na ohana na betimi akiremu yi na kiremu yi na fenke
Ghana League clubs no in Randy Abbey on the part
ai se be bi mu ka so no so ne nkofo bi su ko share obo
I know you be on my trip
ono so ne nkofo bi ko share baby posisi grade ya ma ne ko so onye adwuma de ma ne so arisa onye adwuma no ma ya sa pa onipa foforo so mu nkoye I think sir there is more to it until na wa na be brief here more na
sa lumin eye baga kami ya ne de adwene ekeka na say indeed really it is happening.
What you are papa.
Thank you.
What be sa question papa.
Medasi.
Nedi kamichia asantimai. Ene michia bebia radio nukubia. There have never been a division in Gaka. Gaka munchicheye. Yeni Gaka A, yeni Gaka B. Tuesday meeting na kokoye no. Mini Congress. Gaka no Association of Ghana League Clubs Association.
Yeah.
Ghana League Clubs Association. Ghana League Clubs na Premier Division 1 and Division 2. Division 2 no represented by region.
Okay.
Yeah, go share on Division Premier Division 1 RFA and the constituent body. The constituent body are members of Congress. And that guy can show on so. Guy can need to be our constituent body so. In terms of security, SASA, schools and colleges, women football, co-minini. And you know, I document haba yɛde Congress and a pe ano baako. And it's a who free constituent body into to join clubs to hold a meeting. It's never proper to be under the auspices of Gaka.
Okay.
Gaka to be anyashwe. At share go share you know. A man for bebre antiase. Well, born akwasa do no agro but on person mesua the nitty-gritty of agro indodo I mean chief for me to o my unya kwame sai lawyer kotokoloya ya
adu sepo kwame
safuduku unya no a ondo ko beka di chief pa chiro the nitty-gritty ko beka di chief pa chiro
na che se enkom yi
anti no sa body na ko share ye no amanfo antiase nipa bi antiase no pushi Gaka so free meeting on the Thursday Gaka free meeting on Thursday na ye football no mese me committee ni bi Randy Abbey oba mini Congress no o committee ni bi
right
Ketokreko oba no o committee ni bi antenye division Gaka meeting no was in place.
Okay.
But Gaka meeting na ekoye no. Before your course meeting, na concerned but mini Congress na set say, you form 7-man committee, no mo ye document mo adwuma. Anta no paro anadworo akwa adebeche no Randy send message ma me say, enam nyamane me bia force akoso Ghana football mo anas expose accusations no. Of course, Okoda Jane Hono it will not be appropriate for him to have set that position. But any contribution that we need, he will render.
Okay.
And in this case, Randy stepped down. And Topa, meaning Gaka meeting, announcement was said, this is what has transpired. But Gaka need to me say, Obaka said me will be ashamed because Gaka and the foremost are committee.
Okay.
And it Besamba group no one group ni nipa shem
right
Kofi Manu dia no asema nkofo bi raise here sometimes no you don't have to be adamant like I say as a media chani amaka bia na maka say my form committee Kofi Manu wom na man for say stigmatization and I'm so bad video no munti no omo for say enya say obo committee no na emwaye e ba sa man for ye meeting no me pue bonten ene ketokreku em frɛ Kofi Manu. And I'm in a casa, I'm the two speaker, I'm in a casa, cat, and a casa, and I'll see you oba. And to be too hono, and I also back beating on some mass lecture, but say we aren't channel, caught bien buan for or can answer. Not some you can be a no crack because near we in a video no, a bina Canada Japan, I say, our video be our video ne picture bia Manase yaman 1,000 Ghana. Manase 1,000 Ghana the man say I check you
say maybe now akoya na okoji be sika o
and I'm say video no ya na voice over na say phone no everything is dangerous
sure
and in this case no wate na was step down from the committee, but they say he's going to be the main resource person behind the committee.
Okay.
Until from the meeting, when the committee met, he was there.
Right.
And then yet divisions be an abem.
Okay. All right. Me that say Edmond Obekai Edgar Pia. Radio Gold.
Yeah.
Yes, Edgar Pia live from the United States. Edgar is watching us. Edgar. Ghana ni yewo no me gidi say
what's the social media so pa o na so mu no what Facebook so
Edgar Pia
baba amre na obi esi because mo ba Ghana
oh there some cast of baba Ghana
na so no
there be you juju no ho abuchi aso Edgar I think is in not Edgar America me we fi state or America you know about Nana Ekwia Usu I think that's Evelyn ono so ye chia na no pay but anope hey e asemu hwe no ya de card ne brɛ me no ma hwɛ di no me hwɛ picture mu sɛ George do
no
me yam crash me hey Americo George do sipo
uniform no
age di asero
age
66 no
age we no de koye ade bi na aka ID card
football age
papa we for back kotoko chairman showboy George do
ka the shirt shebu sara no blow three no
anyway
because Georgino also Kotoko 95.
Me very fit.
Now you need back time.
Now
September.
Okay. Age you know. Maybe who you know I say yeah. We the football age you so that's so you should be there.
Until me so
we had to share na ya oh there be George
program bi ara do kakra to dwama yi.
Enya me nko a.
People's Park ya
enya me nko a. Hello FM besum. Why be wasuma santima wasum Ghana. George do my Ghana football cry those days. You well Ash Gold match ni ene. Kotoko de ni ochina. Edmond aka wo ha. Ma me chance in free Edmond. Mo opponent wa bedru.
O bedru.
Don bad time be enra.
O bedru nra.
Okay.
Na police forum fi Congo ba no ka am.
AS police.
So ba no be there de bia na yehu but. Mo.
Se be ka ye ho a suban be no mo danedi.
Me pe we me tra ha. Me chere be bia mo ko. Oh, say
hotel is substandard na.
Oh, this time card enye wo na wa abo home na open hotel my opponent.
Okay. Club Nankasa. No Ankasa.
Club Nankasa.
Club no. Say you call Nigeria no yeti Kumasi na yitu ya hotel kansa na yeko. Na eya na won no mote football na se no. Won football say war no. Say o ko no ha. No, wa ma o lete because no say kan ke ono so ba ho. No so on pe hotel ma wa na onye si e de na person ye ma o. So that also oba ha no mu a one no I also why you be a man.
Sure.
Because Zesco United in Ghana for some of the things you know boy no yes sir. So I want to know your copy mom. And yes, I need you, but if you have
arrangements,
no more rate in your day, no more the advanced party. I say,
okay,
okay. But you know, and here now, also the Bimiwa Udu Airport, Mena Udu Kotukano, Miana me fly in from Kumasi Airport, Baby Crow Koja Kodano, I am a bus, and I'm just one bedroom.
Bass in the man rejected. Okay.
It would try bass in New York, so I bet you baby alcohol.
And they said they are maybe drive and they drive a bus, so I'll get to know where you're going.
But I don't tell me cancer and say, I'm can know I'm buying somebody training a club on home team so provide facility no man.
Yeah.
Now and there, no match say kick off time with Channel. I was I would train main pitch in so for 1 hour. Nti no around the so people be man e training nti se me hu baby a obeda na my yam na aye closer
okay
but me hu akofum some who do airport na fiansa bus no enu po bus no o chere so drive on kwa na bi anka obe training na my training pitch was just so be park be about come up
yeah
na me dia mawa bibia musuma bankers ase bia no akoda hotel no wa just so ma me wa bia na oda Hello FM ha ahabaga se bia bonu na about him ntinu say ne ma no African football no you treat mo yin jasa de ne mo jasa de ne Karubanji for eba ye koye no the training grounds and then on bass on the mine on bahano ye tuni in a no ba second lego it's on the omoye any de ye jo mo henti ye pon player smooth transfer
you mean George Abegi
yes and now so omo throw bibi afa kotoko ho a omo describe it as omo biggest brother in African football.
Is he your partner?
It is hard to say football.
But only ni say Canopy is the omuyi is just to distract Kotoko.
Oh, you're bigger than them. You're bigger than them. He tell me more medication.
Omomuntichi.
Omoti. Now go for go show my port and say ebi mu country.
Second Pfizer player ba ko.
Can Pfizer player ba ko.
On omuntu ko beti no ka.
Anyway. And na obenya Ghana ni kura na.
Go for go show my port so omoti.
And na unim and that's kura Nigeria for na omoti Kumasi a. Nti na no no. Anyway, but camp to saying boys no obi ahoye.
Bibia the din. Yeah. You two ya about ha no almost on my last training.
Okay.
Yo Baba Yara. Bibia bo.
Burkina ni no training ni bi.
Burkina ni where?
Sonny Yakuba.
Oh.
No hoye.
No hoye. O say you can say obi pra, obi no share jeans, no share shoe, no na more. You can say obi pra so na.
We dey me bisa say no hoye say oye fit.
Yeah, enu mu na me kire no. I say obi sa me o say represent ye chitafo. One do the obi sa no mpansa. Obi so you say we pra so na okra crutches no na. What I say? In football no, you want no ya you declare fit for football. So I don't know say who so be na mo na ka say oh na say o training na say we be hu no kwa hwenya no so mpanifo so yare a and ti say the hu no team no aye training me say me ya team no started training by 12 July or so.
Yeah.
Yakuba be oba we started in do 1 week. It is say all match fitness. And I say you be a decent of fit for the match, and I say on your rest in all match fitness, you know. Between the medical team and the technical team.
But eventually, a management member, it comes to management.
Only camp.
Okay.
Only camp.
Yate issues with his registration or renewal of his contract. And then the registration, renewal of his contract. Yet it's in and say either he's about to sign a new contract and also sign a new contract.
Or trying to sign contract and next Saturday to sign contract.
And
I'm saying next Saturday to sign.
What about yesterday? What about the day before?
And or Sunday to sign contract.
What about yesterday?
My young Bupila and go form. Now bandi ni account.
Pila ni debe knocking. Some of my supporters no consense ni bini ebi samono.
Yeah.
And then there be an management member sitting in front of you really.
Ampa supporters no come on to me say. Asante Kotoko. Ye ene ma Yakuba aye Yakuba. Your match ochina. Camp kwa misi uni wakwa no. He sleeps or down.
Okay.
Eti me nim say coach no kwa mpo say they make a kwa we do enyum kwa na do my kwa na ha eno say be to me chere because nya am presenting the team for china my but camp no dey omo ye 26 players no.
Jordan Opoku ni ho, Ajiman Bedu ni ho. What is wrong?
Omo the problem with Jordan is registration window no 3. There were CAF. There were first, second, third.
Yeah.
So register third window no. You cannot play in the first preliminary match.
Okay.
Until you say who register first one no. First one, second one, even second one and third one will be to have fine. Until you know the problem I or no. The registration no.
Okay.
What we say? We can say the or your player. Until I don't register no. Before the registration, he was put on transfer by the former coach. And the coach will buy and also say a person an opportunity to prove himself. So that time in another institution also. It you want to say coach, you know, okay, no. Now I outside the transfer window.
Okay.
To them Jordan want to be mobile.
Right. Coach Zacharias in Obayenche. But so far, my first leg against Yamoko boy, you know. Maybe the say you always score, but you sometimes concede unnecessarily. In the last 2-3 days, one monitor mu training. Some problems, so we say or solve it. And against Kano Pillars, Kotoko, Akushi 2 goals in the first leg. Almost share 3. There is a possibility say they can, you know, score a goal here. The defensive problems of Kotoko. This week we have observed any improvement.
Yes, right after the game, no. Then you start to say, yeah, doing the uncle ye, and the my consider goals, no. Because your last meeting was last week Friday. The new coach, you know, and Sana all started even this week final training. Last Friday, you know, another week, you know.
Okay.
And some will see week, you know. Emma, you bobo, ma, you problem, the Emma consider 3 goals, you know. I say, con canano. Don't say no, so your call buyers and you problem, no. You buy and you be deliver, and to repeat that thing tomorrow.
So no cause for alarm.
No.
Right. Echina gate as usual 10 a.m. Na ye be gate no. Na maybe someone in National Circles Council in attracting lots of supporters to the stadium. Money omo ye adwuma bom. And I say momo ye mo Nigeria. Mo jai say omo so nye na ni Pentimima Stadium because I always say after money asek match no. Mabe say in football filling a stadium is a strategy. Filling a stadium a strategy. Okay, I said, that's 20th anniversary match. No, there was a strategy to fill the stadium, and the stadium was filled.
Yeah, who never stadium fill here?
Oh, Moka who be the Kotoko management, the National Circles Council, the media, and corporate Ghana, any individual here.
So at the same to the area, no, the stadium will be filled. Okay, National Circus Council. National Circus Council comprises of Nkofua. 3 days ago, we presentation at the stadium.
Oh, me come supporters body, no. My supporting front, no. That's what they are recognizing.
And American said, "What I to say an entry is on a presentation of stadium."
Me too.
Me can't say we could be a okay National Circus Council. Do you if you say any permit you know be and I'll come as them. But National Circus Council, all the circus across the world.
Sure.
So what are they? It you know money. You make us say be more nam fruit. Maybe he be more nam fruit.
Omeba.
You could see be more programs.
But regional minister Semen can say obeto 20 tickets at the chair. Intino, I no pay beche tickets. I'm in time pay but to say because regional minister tickets they also wato tickets our chair among the radio stations here for T4 intino merswa.
My menda nas the Michel and the pay. On top 20, what top 20 a man Hello FM.
Me say what top chain chefani.
A tier for a minimum casano.
Okay.
You go pay or to adia a blue 20. Hello FM no
me
20.
Other stations no see.
Me say Kumasi me phone we no. Me stations in the various regions. Ashanti region me 29 radio stations also. Say me waka me get call Ashanti region pay. Na stations in Inaba. Problem be our be a Mwakra meeting.
And they want to say my account was them there.
So last time they all kind of one come on.
Last time, yeah.
The regional minister ma Hello FM.
Yes, Mama in 20.
Yes, me cases to say 29 of which a blue 29 na me phone so no. It didn't say or the biso akoko.
Oh sure, they be call your sister stations no.
Omoche na e bona baso e dana say won say ye no free ejuma di mu da and I also want to know free ye honda last year and the last previous competition do no ye mai I hear so me better have bia so na regional minister achede na ba
yeah
so okay anytime we go bia na abi pimeni
say kwam despite studio there Kotoko good luck
sa enti no ye dana se bona baso oni ye tiniye de bia e be kan pa bom ye hwe dim se obetra so tembi wa Africa bia no
8 years
obetra be bi otinwa ye kwa Africa bia no ho na ye tunya ni se mu achede oni ni Mayor Odin Mayor Yedoma say bomb baso enra so unu ya kankan budu so me on the program so no so can say MP for Efija say oba to bumpe ni dinu mame
okay
I ran ma kobo MB ya
honorable Kennedy Kankam
ya appeal to them on fear no yes stadium na ye ma goes within 20 minutes na 3 aba
sure
sana original minister ni KM boss ni
the deputy regional minister mama erefi mama Elizabeth Ajimai ye sure so no so ne dey nam kwan so ba
the late chairman Jerry
chairman Jerry
no so free or major minister they pardon so dia beka ho
chairman Jerry
you know Jama for rest studio here live me yin ya goals no into your bomb abaso MP no so ya de papa ono kwa de
ba unim
penidi no ma me say or the basis see constituency wa
omo the basis
no want sure mo free a home brand
okay but mama appeal for fans from two of my MP friends Bantama MP Daniel Ochema Boaje se wutie yin a for the tickets ne ba also found the bra and MP for Nshia so Kennedy Kankam honorable say alopai wakoye radio political show na wia na untie na obi so na etia be show be na ka kire no say ye twan ni ticket no ono so normally e odeba nti odeba oni ochem nyina e omo de ba the last time am say na asek match no omo de ba nti no me gidi so omo de beba ene ye nanfofo nso so a Director Frank no mo so amono mo ye corporate men mo companies no mo so ye hwe anim se mo so di be ka ho na afi Sunday Kotoko Canopilas Operation Knockout Canopilas me gidi se be knock your mouth almost stadium no 15,000 no Sani Abacha stadium anya baba ya 40,000 red na ye ne koso dia say just what I say well di
there's mo show mo airport no akwa na omo pa mo Nipa kakra bi ansa no for be 20 bi kura mo show kwa no mabo mu na 40,000 nana ayi nana yefa yinu peni so yinu kuma so e dey so to ho say dodo na no ayama ona bo ase kwa mesema o she afia onim say omo ACC the various stadia
of course
oni ye shiaji program
Oni Kotoko Eshiaju Kotoko
program.
Okay.
Baba yara so bodo musaka. Na management they die so say besa bo group stage ni bium. It you know waji program hu how I make to me aye maintenance no a. E ma ya affect your participation no. But before baji program no na ka for travel for flat light no. Say you call group stage a very difficult say bebo and a flat light wa. It is say bebo hard man. Sa 1 o'clock we need 2 o'clock here moye no. E don do mine. It your friend oji program na you raise yes and there. Omo hwe no mo touch e no mine. Na ke beduru ho no na ya fisi awie. No o check how obey no stage by stage couple say e bebo we na wie.
Okay.
So when no achiri no, se because wa boy a mama ka say no, ye cock Nigeria buy no. Waji a bill. Ye the invoice or request for your invoice.
Okay. I hope say enyam nkwam ni as good nyina.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes. If you know,
no, you see, Esiama, one of the experience in sports in Ghana today because why? The number of years we do a parliament. Now the number of years we do on the sports committee. What you say? In TV when in opposition no any policy maker no. Now or you're very close to the scenes force.
Sure.
And in particular football.
Sure.
And, you know, why are there? We want you to.
Ade we are all here
do better.
Ade we are all here. Also a previous competition. And no the man akawana. And no the man. Or they atu one my buying and that was
there kasache into protest no.
Club be our Beko African. Ombe support in this direction. Now come say go group stage. But as we that prayer come say, who do group stage? obi anim say unya wura group stage a
Benye skakra.
sika bi e wo ho kotokode na afa na abaw data no
Okay.
it is a sika bi na
Aba.
Uba aba what tete ya kakra
Dem me ase.
omo tete
Osi o mati titi mo.
omo ya what to
Yellow cast.
But
Omo
mati
tete
titi
sa
mo.
I
I know you be details. Yes, you be details. You be details.
Uya wura ha wonim say 275,000 eh 275,000 Uba group stage na opeska ede atoa so anako wanum a let's carry my club to yakoji room.
Okay.
Aramebo. But stage you know, preliminary stage you know, hwe nim. E ko ba ko ba ya amafo ekami.
Yeah.
What do we come here? So
Enough for more.
No, me can't say
No, me can't say.
No, che. Ufu say the policy ban their bus is here. Chelsea say you go competition say on press obefa. Na say ba say you be a Champions League about 2 headers. The first round and the second round. Now the go group stage.
Na ba ko pie North Africa.
Aha.
Obeko bo na say
Kotokoni is good na mo qualifier. Mo come North Africa.
Some years come on.
Kotokoni so be Tunisia.
Yes, come on.
It you know a hot no problem now say police way mo dia ba no me pai bo ni say ababe gira. Club bia obekọ Ghana bia Africa with this
right
you know so the amount abaso
me da say nya ya bonabaso
aya be twalo de the sikana ban deductions in the be here
nya bo cheso sorry aseme na okay
be here pa
isi kotoko eya ukobisa monetary details be bra na nso no wo ya mo anu akwa because why nipa no otwe sika na ba eno ne ube ye beka ubeka nana yehwe African footballer sometimes teams like Kano Pillars you write them off but one here omo and the disaster beba ubeka ya kotokoko eko Algeria when was that was it Uma
yeah 2017 2018
we just want any Bejaya
2011
Eddie we just want to throw we don't want to throw caution to the wind nana you followed African football for a while me enti onso
Me da say na say di kan say me brief for Kano Pillars for no na no correct because before you come no say woman kotoko hu bebia obeda at least tetina ka kotoko na bepe bia ma wada no na ka na enukra ka hia so be hu but since you una wo ba abepe hotel and in this case no kotoko so ye program for the match Ofa match commission was airport no one program for the match. In Ra, fortunately no, mene Nana Kwame, we share on the match commission no airport. We normally turn the same flight mba Kumasi. Obisa the program.
Yeah.
Official program is also what is the away team hotel. And I say onim because almost on 10 days ago 10 days say match venue or someone to reply within 7 days say I never better say never and I'm going to say my I was say okay and I'm more report to mommy one case Matthew was more report to mommy and you know sanity here it's unfortunate because na ka sisi bi bem first no kwa who could do no more hotel but oh back on no hotel phone no hotel papa and I can't say pam no cham no obi amfa na de but you can still do arrangements to get there. Until no and nanching. Government support no. Remember me issues.
Yeah.
Government support no. Crow I try one share na to say Congo, Cote d'Ivoire, the North African countries in Asifa ni na no. Say oh ba o government etia hotel bill ma.
Okay.
Na say away team no so back room ha the government no ma transports out my away team no and now somehow security at my away team no but here there na no me ya no say mko gina airport e ko fa away team state protocol department omujuma no but aha no omonye ne sa
why because maybe more clubs now more bono more representing who you are there
it have been that since that memorial
but it can change
but Brekum Chelsea me call Cotton Sports,
Cameroon,
or Garua, North Pattern.
Yeah,
we could do a chartered flights and a decoy. I'm not means by take for food trotro.
Oh,
I saw make a man come.
maybe I am more
Make a more Lagos. Lagos bread.
Lagos no more road show. No more road show.
You're going to open as say step protocol department. Girl now, I'm on the Maya or buy a meme assistant. Girl, 10 gram movie.
Sure.
Wow, when the father for come.
No.
Girl, no, Ministries of Foreign Affairs. Our kind English.
Yeah.
Somebody in the Bremi. But over here, no, yeah, ma, just a wow, sound of phobia, a Chianica.
No, be interpreted.
I'm what it doesn't hear, but this time say Kwame Siama near more day by innovations or day by we need to open his eye more to it.
Okay. About why? It's your best be in here. You are his right hand man. And you know why?
So then Antina me no can say ye be Osifa obey a Bremen. Near Yaka channel. Antina Osifa me Kwame Siama no or ye me chrome MP.
Okay.
Antino
Kwame Siama ni padosu. Kwame Siama. Abate Kofi Asare good morning.
Papa me fi me atmani ba. Antino Kwame Siama no or ye me chrome
OMP sure.
Antino we mo de abondanfo. Me de me MP no.
Me we don maka na kwesi adima.
Me nana.
Wasi abai ba kuna me na for. We dey nunu na ba.
I say when is me. No cry is me.
Also dey na ebusia. Okay.
Until in this case I think let's look at Canopyless.
Okay.
As a club. Wamo football no so wo call away normally no of try so play minds game.
Yeah.
Ube ye niam
and minds game do not play be pa.
Yeah, no way attention efi. Nya ono na koso. Me ko say me ya na my papa me doko no, my papa me shito, na me de ko.
Okay, ni Diana. I'm not jollof ne rice cooker.
Say jollof dey enya ne ham fan tu kwan. Ana
yes na rice cooker ka hu. Rice cooker ka hu.
We are. Udu kroma kwa sometimes we go to the embassy for embassy to prepare food for you.
Come here, you kwa Nigeria say.
Sani ye no. Until no kwa for person no enya hwiaye. You don't want to see them. But that the situation is, you don't have to see them.
Sure.
You only have to see them
at the technical meeting.
Basada for 20. We say, oh, on a one ma, Kotakofa ma, airport, Kotakofa ma a hotel. It's not your duty.
It's not necessary.
Since you are here, say, be assured, say Kotakoba, you know. A man for a bashi Kotoko, a man for a position high, Eddie, for instance, Meneno me, you know, on a WhatsApp. Near kakra me share in the match no me doing na man obisam say so high bend and I be here me dey nyam ka say despite all this me near the head of technical
of course
this is what I've seen and no fanko and me sure say by this time Kotoko no ya plugging holes ni na
yenya ye hope sir. I don't doubt our ability to score goals.
Yes.
But to concede goals, yes. I don't also doubt it.
What Kotoko needs to do, I was said before 45 minutes, Kotoko no, in a comfortable lead. Comfortable lead. When you have 3 goals in the year. Now, if you don't have a ball,
why sorry to him? They were in a comfortable league.
What shot my ship? Who shot my ship? Apology to go. I know. When you are borrowing the word, use the word
sure.
Apology
to the owner, originator of the word.
I can say what can I say?
Plagiarism.
And in this case, I think Kotoko are in the pole.
Pole position.
Just a position.
Pole position.
Also to me qualify to the next stage. Now you know fire one day and tata umechi.
Okay.
That's why I said minister ticket or buy new sir. But anyone person or chess or that could be immediately Martins or see 20
Regional Minister Kaya you force so mo Kumasi any Asante Wamohima Adiza Zongo Pania or say on also organize one bus. Kaya for Ochna Wombe Baju Kotoko so Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Enti Kotoko is the support the what three pa. Adiza Zongo Pania Mukumasi here.
Okay.
Won't you on Won't you carry for Nka?
Oh, my chonka.
What this political party flag bearer? Oya baya tu Zombo Pania.
Yadi mo pa.
Mati. But Eddie, you be sorry to concern so supporters. I want you to address them. Oh no, yes.
Sisi ebe so.
You be sorry so say other matters or see deal with.
O chere ji wadi ka si other matters. Ejida fon de say the timura they are kanu no. O say Africa corner dem. And ejida fon so ya ja tum say ampa. Eti wo hwa Africa eduru Africa obi amfan entutu no fom. The last time on the previous one, and it be a sample beam. This time, when I'm begging, be unbegging, say, I did a team no and say, you will say a monche. But yeah, the same, either happened the previous
new
one.
Coach, new players.
Yes, Confederation, I do group stage, I say a reference point. Oh, when I call Confederation, I'm maintaining players. Saturday, a new coach, Saturday, new players. Saturday a new coach, Saturday a new players. But to me, I can say this team no, is much stronger than the previous team. The Aka and break. It is you fire support to them, and Omunya they will deliver.
Okay. Surely,
yeah. In fact, your mature team, the Aka and break. Some be boba kuminu miensa no majeri. It is here no any do no.
Team now, what the board normalization. I'm what they call
normalization.
I'm what they call
any confederation in here.
Just about normalization.
Any confederation in here.
And then by a munya normalization.
So I have combinations to see.
Okay.
Nana, so Nana,
but some me hearing and I
Debbie, asama waka Edmonti, Edmonaka onye hufu.
Oh, they say
asama waka no person kana waka. Obeso akire say, omufi a good stage to a better stage than before.
No, but
obeso akire say,
I'm going to kakra.
Obeso on train kakra.
Yeah, it's going to kakra.
Well,
as I'm going to picture them,
ono na ekotoko management member. Ono na wa assess two teams.
Me tell you.
What are you for nekasa? Kotoko team no hunu for to the confederation to the normalization. Any team no nya nisisiano. Apart from so can say omo ball together and chain. Dear na beka fa.
Omo ball together and change they are not gelling.
Individual players, they are
exactly. That's what I'm saying.
But they are not playing as a team.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't have a problem. No. Because I call one try kakra. And the only thing is, what to call goal scoring is also conform. Our goal scoring ability.
When they are about a goal scoring conform.
Looking at previous team, no, what do you compare team with that? Some
Okasiki team, no.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm about 2 friendly matches. When I'm running compared to 2 matches in against Burkina Faso champions,
Rahimu,
and against Cote d'Ivoire champions, you could see normal lucky goal scoring.
That is what I'm saying.
Normal lucky.
Someone tell me.
Oh, me too. When because me person be concluding them. Me conclude to Vasek Kakra. I'm team na konenim. Oh, team konenim. At least almost team exceed
the group stage.
The group stage.
And almost enter the group stage.
Yes. And that's what to me exceeded last season's performance now.
Okay.
Then I think because
let me repeat myself.
Okay. Maybe I won't want to year or say let him repeat himself.
Your team now you could test this year, as compared to the previous one.
Yeah.
Adebako ebe to me aka and they say
Monche.
Your monche aka break akra.
Okay.
It is see I woman you hear full house. Near the abon kakra to certain matches number together.
Yeah.
See that this team will be stronger than the previous one.
Okay.
Right.
Metisemo say metisene esemo de musician be bar stadium. Meti Kwame Eugene be din say obeba. Any entertainment package and I say no later on in the campaign.
Later on say competition wa ye bono on the rules. And let me remind ourselves now can scan us also refi. We lost match now your boy no. Obia will say $275,000. But me catch you say sika eba kotoko no. Even half of it.
Why?
Why? Because the money be a barrel you so can say my no. And no ya near tete. 2 TV now match now ye buy be TV sunti. Ye mass stadium no. And also yen you tuaka. And every match costs $40,000.
Telecast no.
Yes.
Wow.
It bounce up phone him. You match scan the amount, you find yourself enjoy yourself. So much now the tua production in Inaka. So what I say, you know, we do group stage, we live matches na you know. So says can be no the tua. And the best wrong, I know you to be your way, but Niman be a ya. Am I at the tea and fines, you know, a best wrong. Mumbai,
and we need the
oh, so what do you know? Choco
near cannot support us.
Exactly.
But
what was that?
Club Lusu also as
educate
your supporters. And supporters on Betuzu. At least obitin to Behuno.
Supporters now, so workers and supporters now, Omini Shia or inner perimeter.
They shouldn't be
inner perimeter. Much yet you're funny.
Nana, unauthorized personnel or Moko inner perimeter. Why the Momokoi? We have security arrangements. We have protocol arrangements. So we have identification. Who name if I say, accreditation to a particular place. Say accreditation, the man. Ye ma baby between the akoni baby on Timi Fanko. Media say unwanted people. According to Mina perimeter near Timusika. I know crowd make us say inefficiency on your part.
Now say acrobat pack.
Exactly.
It's
easy.
When the man come to quite some coach pack no rounds.
Sabe.
Ayo bi aduma.
Sabe.
Bra.
E ba ya me ba out e be kesa ba me be che bi onim. Supporters be feel say or you stand to about money aji. It will church mpe won obi yin. Oh. The fact of the matter is that Akobetu will start on his own field. By a football, now interclub competition, even in the league.
Of course.
We have no business going into the inner break.
Yes, because Emra, and then she said.
Number two, regardless of provocation, I will feel say referee no provoke no.
Don't throw water.
So we back when say 1 CD. Pure water 20 pesos. Otoa, the club will be fined $5,000.
Wow,
5,000.
Yes. Otoa, we will fine $5,000.
That's what you know.
Share. Competition boy, you near my PU. I can find a scanning in Abessa. Because before Bebano, the way you mingle with them, what we rapport with them. But that match against Sudan for no. Yet we are, I say, Nipano, you cannot cover you.
Yeah.
But anyway, match commissioner Abano is the deputy sports minister of Liberia.
Hey.
Yes.
When you work FIFA 7 good years.
He's a senior member of the post committee of CAF.
He's the deputy sports minister of Ghana.
Any misbehavior. Okona
one commission Black Stars matches here in Ghana for so many years. Mediama Confederation Cup matches from 2014. Kotoko Uma match now Okano. He was the match commissioner.
Familiar.
He knows everything about Babayara.
And Kotoko.
The last time
Uma match na Kofi Koja Johnny Koshe.
208.
Against in Ghana, he was a match commissioner.
Alaji Alima
against in Ghana, you call pre-match. Match Bakosa group stage in B. Now, Nkofonu your moon to treat you say, my brother, let him tell you. And referee Bakona, your officer security say 200 police force 250. Not most true. Officer country Libya 1,500, 2,000 policemen.
Hey,
and I say, my brother, you have no cause to fear here. I know Kumasi, I know Asante Kotoko very well. Their supporters love football. They prefer to attack their players,
not officials.
It will be a through. And Paso Kotoko, supporters need to read between the lines. Say players not guarding. So what I say?
And I say a coach.
And I coach. And that coach is before the trade.
And ultimately management. Some say it will lock him or
operation for.
It will lock him now, but now
you know, message it out for no. Papa, we are about me 6-7 years in match commissioner. And now or your sports deputy sports minister of Liberia. Or you're very straight, regardless of relationship. He will call you, Edmond, talk to your people. The next moment, you will write it.
Okay. Edmond,
So,
please
the next
talk to
one.
him. Talk to him and the
Mama.
other guy. Only on Munkasa. Why? Only on Munkasa.
It's that for.
There be on now for do now Bomudini, sports minister. No. Only on Munkasa.
No, but some
And also when here,
I'm be in charge of security, no. And there's some making sure say.
There be
Only yeah.
Nkofona me so. Nkofona me see. Why want to no dey nyabuti.
No, I say.
Hey, Babada.
And I'm no more Thomas.
Edmond Akao.
No more Thomas. Don't be here who.
No correct.
No more Thomas. Don't be so. Be do come out.
Say number 12 no.
Yeah.
You can't say it was useless. It won't help Ghana.
Yeah.
You don't be able to boy you
Oh,
but Abua Ghana football don't you see, number 12 was just anti-Kwesi Nyantechi propaganda. Man, football in totality.
Yes. National teams need club level, you know, be also.
Yes, the day you go against Tunisia. Head there and wrong about this goal.
Clean goal.
But the referees gave us a very rough treatment. Because why? Yeah, the video ne voice over go muso any massa. Massa, Obi Papa wedi a judge 30 years now the watch. I'm here in the office here, Papa. That be immediate. I will never look. Manasa Azuri, Hawaii and Nanu, or the Asimbia for Frabe. Say on the Papa no come on in Abem. On the Papa no come on in when you voice over on the Papa no beside say company no ye director now ye shareholders you. Me ye director. And I say and are you still owe 50%? Now if Papa ni I'm a shareholder. Yes. What you say? Now you say Dipano was say what this cantina scanner and the man now Miss Kakwanoji.
And they say they Klaus of Africa on break. Because we are aware, Ibuku, over has what in your head. Now was a good. Okay, now your boy, I
had 23 more minutes. Okay, 23 minutes past the hour 11 into about 12 by best or so. Edmonaka, you better not see on Nanasi Bushu or my best friend pay Kotoko and Komona, Yadiababat. Briefly, Poku as good. Almost so say I wish you more in there. As good match in the area already. Yawaje tender. One word to a boss or the live commentary, no, or the beba. Matisse Sade Kadam, so my Pamuno say, Omejani Kwayo.
Oman Faranka Africa squad, no. Oman Faranka. Don't want to pray termination of contract.
Why? Because of Fananka Africa.
No, some is what you do a star. And you say, but we are coaching in a different way. Some as good, or more chances, no. Because almost our poor position to qualify. Or more chances are bright. But you see, I don't know what can say Edmond they say the football no Sami Akakoyeno. Your football no Sami ya tight corner. And you know should Africa football say the city. But Sami truly correct my man standards is what Ghana and teams. Me did say I shan't to go. They know what's at stake, and then I will boss it, and they have to go forward. And going forward, I mean, say I shan't to go there. When you 1-1, oh, Equatorial Guinea, I mean, a baby piece of bossy.
Oh, there be. But I'm hoping the stadium will be filled to capacity.
That is the problem.
I don't hear me.
That is the problem.
Sabono, you're born in Nefe, saying and supporters and qua.
Supporters from Qua, a advantage me no. One, apart from cheering the team to victory, no, giving the money,
of course, club to
the club too. And I don't need to. I don't know. I say I shan't go to pay for your wajuma. Almost a man referee. I hope some man with me. I am a member.
Is there? I know you confirm.
Yeah, I confirm. I know. Nibuku command don't know confirm. Nuna. Member no more. Never many results. Some so be it.
Okay.
But I hope say Coach Dan Rocha, champion Fredachi, and I shan't go. Omo team Ninano. They know what is at stake today. And because I'm comparing 5 p.m. So I'm qualify call him because I cannot start a bar. And so to me, money so now what me at least what me at can be. And to start a bacano now confirm along the way. No one to me Romo money zona. Oh the depth every team no and depth no so go sano na kosoro. And I said God have to win. Said I'm moving to me accord the next stage. Maybe travel to the next stage na fe one more group stage na fe e ka ma boni nyina no omo etime Shafi Mumuni and Makati mo so me omo etime
and as good omo a Brazilian striker
Da Silva
and omo a Brazilian coach
yes
Da Rocha
okay Da Silva Da Rocha and I I hope Ashanti Gold maybe your best
and yeah, can we even come will be a kutia as good for player no free Brazil no free Kivet free Brazil. See who be that?
Oh, really?
Kivet for be by I show free Brazil because I'm a Portuguese. All right.
As I'm quickly, my wrap up 2 minutes on Kotoko. I think say Kotoko Aba. Kotoko ba ya kan sempi. Na no do so for name Edmond so be kan sempi. Kotoko, they have to make sure they don't concede. That is the only problem.
So me feel say Kotoko should be able to score more goals because
fine.
As for them not conceding there.
Same Kotoko.
I wonder because you see,
Same
could have a match of my body recent time. What should go crying as
Kotoko so almost score more so is the problem. Answer me akeka. Because 2 matches are me go here in no. Na go somewhere.
But at least Omoko cannot play. So much share 2 goals.
Almost 2 goals. Almost 2 goals. And now more Befi.
Yeah.
Let's hope say a bit me twaso. No much more than 2
defensive frailties. What's wrong? Because
a new defense.
The whole entire defense setup.
A new defense. Because Gandhi
at least Felisanan ye old guard.
Yes.
Ye Lusu must frimpong.
Yes. And last time 2 and 3 crown almost you new. Lateral almost you new.
So Coach Zachariasen, when I would prefer
a
new setup.
Yes.
For the back four.
And back four.
But when you're dangerous,
because I mean, 2 matches square together. Back four no change. 2 matches together. That is the problem. Because back four there, and some of solid no. As at least only 15 to 20 matches. You're more body consistently. Because 15 to 20 matches, more body consistently no. 3 and 2. Only 4 and 5.
Well, my answer to CAF Confederations Cup first preliminary round second leg Ashanti Gold versus Akunangi FC of Equatorial Guinea match near the 24th day of August 2019 Langley Sports Stadium at the venue time near 3 p.m. You were 30 tickets.
Yeah.
Oko boase na ube hiya ticket abrabeji bi. Oko awakotai Ashanti Gold echi. Inti ne were 30 tickets ayeche ne sabre. You were 20 tickets ayebeche for the Kotoko match. All right. Intino.
Inti sami ana make alone say for center back in the lateral sini no. What change? And no 2 matches square together. Normally, come here solid, normally perfect. Be 15 to 20 matches, and after 10 to 15 matches. Start no more ba omo because obi a deficiency and obi said obi a move forward. But a new, but coach Nsubeka say onu two players or the aba no two players over be issue no. And to me, I'm hoping say China omo safe guide. Omo be here chiro yi. Because in as much as anyone go on flow, they shouldn't also concede. And I'm not Kotoko leading 2-1. Our Kanu. Kotoko, they were leading 2-1. Suddenly 3-2. Almost conceding 2 goals. Ayana, ye defenders no. 1, lack of concentration. Meka you could do Egypt and CAF technical director no. Omo my education. Omo education kakra. Ewo especially sub-Saharan Africa, here side, you know, your defenders and any players in there. Almost your players, they are there North Africa for no. Almost we say, baby, and say 1 year players don't lose concentration easily.
And the national team cry,
you lose concentration easily. Shabola, almost for my John Boy, a buffer Nasia, Tunisia player back on the table.
John Boy, the income was in view. Oh, yes.
Maybe did say, sir, lack of concentration now, every player.
But young cancer Chelsea in Norwich, no, so no, a Chelsea, Chelsea, not the Chelsea Beshe. Okay. I'm sorry. Chelsea, best sorry.
And yes, I mean, so much me, I can put concentration, no much me avoid.
And once again, Frank Lampard has opted for the young guys. Tammy Abrahams, the likes of Mason Mount, Omunina, Ejdemubi, then the MS in Ejdemu. Caesar Aspiele creator, or the young man, on air captain, Cradma Chelsea. Well, Poku Saudi one was there.
Hello, sports.
Yana, Omniamra, Yaba, Yabaquaman, and Ashanti Gold, or more Ejina, Akono, den, Intia, Nayama, Ashanti Gold morale.
at Napakai Muyatia.
Asante Kotokose. Asante Kotokose.
At Napakai Muyatia.
Cross, penalty shout. I agree. I don't think this is a penalty. I think there's contact there, and he just gets sandwiched. Maddison, there's a man over. It's Albrighton. Maddison shoots, and he wasn't far away. Here's Sane. Anxiety growing with every passing moment. Maguire with the clearance, only as far as Bernardo. Here's Gundogan again. Oh, he wasn't far away. From Maddison, it does now.
Hello Sports at Napakai Muyatia.
Okay, I'm going to say the idea so our Power Sports and as a weekend Power Sports in Koya so we are not a test him the see I'm not going to say would actually Carroll Road and hold on Norwich and we see Norwich and Chelsea 1 minute 47 seconds and now the Chelsea should be Norwich almost able home and so NTB HAB Manchester United Paul Pogba since the penalty and penalty kick free no yes over training gara no muna almost no munakusu obo wa hwe obi nim naja okowramu bokobat olega na social say game no ekoso na Paul Pogba ewom na Marcus Rashford woma penalty bar Rashford enable Rashford nim dia asana Paul ebetimi abo enti eno ne decisions a United enso etimi na take the Tammy Abraham reporter eba no say the ono so Twitter no so no racial abuse no guso ya wo so fa na den na say pon the girlfriend babonte be keka bi kire mrofo no say de omo ye no ensem fata parati okobo say nti nko hye so anka de na nkomeka eno so de wase no nti omo esom ka demom de omo but on ebo number 9 for Chelsea nti the coach ni ginidi
coach regional
Nti eno no but for some Vincent company omanya another defeat our Anderlecht they said you just say we Nigeria no e dey assistant coach no ana
yes
yes
Tammy Abraham how can I say
what atle the kind of Chelsea the Blues
nti Nigeria say
Chelsea 1 Norwich 0
yes who say Frank Lampard you be a back who say wako baba some Frank Lampard abaso so when you do because obu anko say politics come on mobi but there be a woman no ebobi Ole na social so reporter so Paul Pogba and no so ball penalty ese no ono so racial abuse be kon so na no Ole na social say omo enkenkan no they should omo say omo kenkan say
to aso baba me chairman ya baby or Holland or say okay Mami Howie or Holland and she's watching us live in Tiano Pemichano all the way in Holland but Chelsea they are leading by 1-0.
Tammy Abraham.
3 minutes. Tammy Abrahams. Anna Pukukana Semno. What an Ashe goal. And it was a fantastic goal. Boy, no. Or a young guy with time, I think he'll be a very good striker for England and after Chelsea.
Yeah. And Samuel Christian Eriksen reporter Manchester. One also person in any HM before Real Madrid, Atletico, Juventus, Omuna, Airpen, and they say in Sikara from £50 million. And only Sika Obetia and Sada Wanyano, Eric Abidal, Wakachina Dembele agent, and say Basa and Nuamoho, some ever find the player no buy no. The modern bono and said that enko animu esa and enso any ensema Eric Abidal wakachire Dembele and the agent yedi tuja and Real Madrid sabe omo say omo catch Paris Saint-Germain for say Neymar de omo fa Neymar Paris Saint-Germain for en show say Neymar oba on prepare so omo nya sa So many assurance no kwa hadia enyo mbeto no Madrid ready emi so machada emi so pitoro mo ntono mo dia akakofa ho because say player be prade ene de club ebe hodai eno so eno no but PSG akwa bia so meto Neymar ansa na transfer no ya 2 September omo nya dia Neymar omo mema na to aso asi akan enso e dia mo na kilo inava ana Zinedine Zidane Wakan Sam Kakra or say I can't imagine Real Madrid without Killoy. I don't think he will leave. Real Madrid in penny for say Killoy in court. Zizu super or sim penny for the no Killoy tana. They say Zidane is 72nd coming. One Real Madrid in penny for the na kwasi. One sporting director kun. One president kun. Ni nyanso pe Paul Pogba. Amo so mo kofane ma. Eno na ama eyenchi do asho ni sa eni brewe nyina etimi aba. Eno so yede ema etiefo. Ze si amano kasa no itatika no. Norwich Atikano Chelsea was not to Salalo Chelsea acquired them player friend can't wow Kajola Atikano ama Norwich won Chelsea won 5 minutes 46 seconds and then the course was Carroll Road to us Monaco and so I say
5 minutes 2 goals
5 minutes 2 goals it was a goals papa Monaco mom as a Frankesi so no wo mo anya no epenenra ye de betu just Arsenal coach Unai Emery confirm say Squadron Mustafi obe eja no kwan Maro Icardi report about say was sad nani San Siro was Napoli move no any ade obeko na okoto aso esia kan enso so no I metie for Victor Wanyama report about say no so Eco Standard Liège honor wo kwakoto an bobo so Real Madrid omo are the bid Eco and ma Paulo Dybala and my Juventus so Juventus omo are reject bid no enso de kakra epiem quickly Norwich and Chelsea 1-1 Southampton and Manchester United and Crystal Palace Watford and West Ham United Brighton and Southampton Sheffield United omo and Leicester Southampton and Liverpool omo and Arsenal eno EPL matches eno no ye call Spain so Osasuna and Elba ebebo and the Real Madrid and Real Valladolid ebebo Celta Vigo and Valencia na fe Getafe and Athletic Bilbao and so the apemso eno matches and etoja ewo La Liga nimu China matches no ye de ba betuja e amamo na ye call Italian Serie A no so and matches ewo nie Italian Serie A ye hear matches and ewo and Parma and club IFN Juventus ebe pemso sanso so ana Fiorentina wo mo enso ene Napoli ebebo echira Udinese ene Milan Roma ene Genoa Cagliari ene Brescia sanso na Verona ene Bologna na fe Spa 2013 wo mo enso so ene Atlanta na fe Torino Sassuolo Sampdoria Lazio wo mo enso so abo eno Italian Serie A matches ebetodwa ene echira yewremu ewo ye Germany ene men's 05 Womo enso ni Borussia Mönchengladbach ene bebo Hoffenheim ni Werder Bremen Paderborn enso ene Freiburg ebebo na fe Fortuna Düsseldorf omni Bayer Leverkusen Augsburg ni Union Berlin na fe Schalke 04 wo Vitesse Arena no omni Bayern München enso ede apem so china Leipzig ene Frankfurt na fe Hertha Berlin womo enso ni Wolfsburg enso ede apem so de Yeromu ewo French Ligue 1 so fixtures no Monaco ni Nimes Strasbourg enso ni Rennes ebebo PSG Paris Saint-Germain womo enso ene Toulouse ebebo ene matches ebetodwa china nemom ene udwani HF France ene games ebekoso ana yedi ebema etiefo no eno so sei ene si etie France meka French League no games ebekoso no say the city ene Angers element Dijon ene Bordeaux Aymen Nantes na fe Brest enso ene Reminis enso ede apemso Sami B.
All right 20 minutes to 12 until 11:41 away. Now briefly, Mami mbisa wadwenche on 2 or 3 matches na fe young comments ne views about for the abano. Yenhwe match ebekoso ne ewo Anfield. Arsenal omone Liverpool. Normally Arsenal Liverpool ya na scoreline no na dosun
5-1
in favor of Liverpool. But this time David Luiz Aba and a Real Madrid branches Ceballos, yeah. Ono so no defender.
Celtic defender Tierney.
But Tierney he was on loan last season. It's on him Arsenal set up ne kakra. Well, Maminti on this match is not
go so na so beti. 5 in the Ebia enko do 5 no. But I don't see any way.
Sibal also defensive midfielder. No,
Defensive midfielder. Yeah, I don't see any way Arsenal surviving this this evening at Anfield. Ebia 5-1 on last season, you know, and then go 5-1. But Liverpool win. Liverpool struggle. Arsenal a new team. Nicolas Pepe will join the squad.
Yes, you're attacking midfielder rather.
Yes, and Nicolas Pepe will join the squad now. They are proving something. Alessandro Lacazette cross when you say obe prove be. Samson and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Arsenal will score.
You see them three starting the game. Aubameyang, Pepe, Nicolas, and Lacazette. Omi saying now on Beshasi.
No, I think so last time I don't started Pierre-Emerick Pepe. Na Lacazette abem. Sana.
But the other times Lacazette started.
Okay. But so what you want? But Aqua Liverpool no. I think say no obey defensive guide kakra. Obey because Liverpool was sharp attack. In terms of pushy Arsenal team enough for they will sit back maybe rely on 1 or 2 contests because Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang and Ganduzi mono speed. I'll meet me at the Chelsea Liverpool. But still, some Liverpool win over Arsenal. Arsenal best maybe about 2-1, 3-1 and 3-2 But I don't see even a draw.
You don't see Arsenal taking a point.
No. Arsenal will lose the game. Liverpool versus Arsenal.
Wow.
Yeah, Liverpool versus Arsenal.
And Kopaku Junior na motenenka on Liverpool versus Arsenal. 43-11. Enti Kenneth Obey. Yeah.
Akobo wey every young boy before Kumasi Asante Kotoko will beat Kano Pillars by 2-0. Also Wafasumeni say say supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko should pray hard for the team because the team needs to win. The man in where also Kumasi Asante Kotoko is capable of beating Kano Pillars. That cash there. I wish Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best of luck. We every Mora Yuba or Sishala Kumasi Asante Kotoko will eliminate Kano Pillars. Okay. Now Zion Baba or say professional sports media no only Hello Sports. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Kwame Admakwen or Aston also watching you guys live from Aston. Some may be wishing as good and Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best of luck. Segala Zarian Kwanta also watching you inside the Donut headquarters Ashanti region. Fantastic sports. You guys are doing a wonderful job. We free okay. Now the free Dixon chapter director Boros Collections Marco magazine inside Utuasikan Rural Bank or say Kumasi Asante Kotoko will win by 2-0. Nana Akwesi Sika or say I'm listening to you guys live. Nana Akwesi or say okay, thank you for the good work done. All right. Camille Samodine or say wish Kumasi Asante Kotoko all the best of luck. King Kalusha or say guys, you guys are doing a wonderful job. Keep it up. Kubo, FNCR.
All the way Texas.
Texas.
Yes. King Kalusha now Love FM. Outside Peace FM. King Kalusha everywhere. King Kalusha. King Kalusha all the way from the USA. That's Pina Mianka Saminu Yaba. Mami Highway. Also know here all the way from Holland. Also no permit chiao. And then we have banana Equia Owusu. I think it's Evelyn. Stiva. Ono so ye chair na no. Ebusu for sabi emra humano so. Now it's all about Ashanti Gold. It's all about Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko say Asante Kotoko say
All right, yen try na yen picky in your to say good morning.
Good morning.
Bachoma onim rasro kakra mayen.
Good morning.
Bachwa ne sakani.
Babaja FM.
Hi Hello FM. Anopay.
Hi Hello FM.
Hello.
That's me.
Yes sir.
Aye, Solomon Jeffy, the woman at the garden.
Solomon Jeffy, Bema, Kukudu for now.
Only me, and after part, I saw what I'm
about Germany, the Emerson said, dear, no, Safin, what does
I never want to be an on and no, no, Mulem.
Yes, Suntia.
I say, Madam, I'm
over to us, Mram called Brazil in 2014. Abrante bi Yamadon pa or Brasilia, your friend Iran Thomas. Iran Thomas here nano pay. And I'm Yankasamini about Jamaican, your friend Sharon Davis. Or your UK, or also here no paint him.
International.
There be if you CNN.
I'm a reverend CK don't fail for money.
But what about Fabiana would dear ID card when wabo, ye check ticket, as go dear no so I will have solo. Wakasasa went to me and carry, but Solomon Jemfi or ticket ever ha. And no a Kotoko versus Canopiles against the Becos watching. Ashanti Gold, don't see your 30 tickets. Hello, good morning. Yes, boss.
Wait, Peter, God was so quick. But
Peter, dear, I'm saying now pay ticket. Food in here,
Peter Moa.
But Robert Cobwas and Abeco Kumasi. Oh, sorry, we the two Swabra, Beji ticket. All right, hello.
Sammy B.
Yes, boss.
Kokrafo in Obanani.
Obana, but you Obeko studio watching now.
I'm a copa.
What do you always car? One casabe to your ticket. But your ID card, the Dimben also.
Kingsley offering Diodu.
Kingsley offering Diodu. All right, but you also ticket. No problem into you.
Marty.
All right.
Hello.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. Me did Emmanuel. Obi Emmanuel.
Obi Kasafri.
Kasafri do be.
Okay. Obi Anope.
Ochina Master Sanse photocopy 2 goals.
Okay.
Ebo me na baso.
Yeah, that's it. Any fra also afraid. Or see 2 goals for Kotoko. On also what ticket. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But your friend Sena Kasafri. Okay. I don't know ID card so. Obeko Boasia na Obeko Kumasi. Yes, I 2-1 for Chelsea. Okay. All right. Yeah. Also a ticket. I think it's Macy Mount. And Tinkolani Yedmama Frank Lampard. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Batwane Sakani.
Baba Shai.
Baba Shai.
Yes, Amaka.
Mpacho Baba Shai na ID card so. Hello, Baba.
Yes, sir.
Baba Shai na ID card so na only interested to go to Obuasi and I say Baba Yara supposed to. Oh, any anka. Yeah, Baba Shai ni. And I'm sure do Obuasi for tender. Ubenya ticket why?
Oh.
Aye.
Mate.
Na Baba de na ne hui. Okay, all right. Okay. Baba.
Yes, boss.
All right. And then I'm phone call. Why? Okay. Baba Shai, yada CP. Baba Shai Hadu at the public transport to call Boasi, our friend Hello Power Sports. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sammy B.
Yes, sir.
Puzo Ashtown.
But your Apuzo no ID card so.
Kwabna Lamti.
Kwabna Mientio, or ticket to her.
America has go Benjamin Timiko, Kakotoko, then I am pressure committee.
But your Oka first 20 callers, no tea, we are eligible, we are qualified.
But I see. Now, I can't support Kunadia. Minya Pato, or no account will be in the bomb if your Koshak house of Kosha, commercial supported Duma. I may have the support to Makotoko. When you're moving, there's a moving, no man in it, dear. There's some called Nom Corinne. And I say, I can't supporters in Obianfa supporting Intercotokochi.
Okay.
Let me now win. That's it.
May I see piano pay? I got 10 minutes. You have 15 more tickets. Your monitor. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
But what is Sakani?
I feel my procedure.
I can see Kasafi here. Mr. Omar, do number form. All right. Oh, ticket back over. Okay.
Now,
but you say? Okay.
Qualify.
All right. Medasipi. Hello. Yes, Matone Sakani.
Yamanko Atimagogo and Amedwa Bedro.
Yamanko no pay.
One is ya. I go the end the American the Intimenko. Lemon Kotoko Diana, a bit yako.
Okay.
But that's it.
All right, Miss Medasi. Okay, as good, Diano. As good, Diano, so ha. And yes, sir. Oh, call Bossy now here, ticket. I'll be to Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But on Sakani.
Ya sebe ni because free amokuma infi.
Ya sebe ya matching now here na ya boko.
Nyame adom boko.
Ya nyame ase. Ya ma yenti ado pay.
Kakra be se me kan say kotoko supporters no me still be bia nyame adom a. Enyina yen ko stadium yen ko shoma. Na sebe ya ye betimi ayi go for na film. Ya be shom be 3-1 na say 4-1.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that CP yaw.
Meditate it no na.
Yaw. Mesho aya bomodi abeji ticket why? Yaw sebe of amukuma himfio de no nante yache. Good morning to you, PK Support. Good morning to you, Kalusha. Good morning to you, Sharon David. Good morning to you, Iran Thomas. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mpatrona mesakani.
Me pato Mesiade ni Kasefre Sofia.
What's your friend saying? Mesiade ujia tu kunu wana wana kwa kohwe.
Me pato me na me kwa wadawruma.
Okay, Messi won't a ticket. Why?
Hello Sports at Napakemu
Yatia. Simon Wache, Yagusu Air ticket or Boise, any Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Hello, good morning.
Hello, your friend upon Kabana.
Upon Kasafri here.
The Kasafri.
Okay. Upon so a ticket, why?
Your commander.
Now, with the only way they say, upon Kablabi, a minimum was Santino Town. So you're not so. Why don't say no join it? Kofonibi. Oyaza, upon a minimum rush town. Okay, I'm so signed Tom Fools were doomed to no. Hello, good morning.
I'm excited to gain count.
And council so.
But your Kofi Buachi.
Kofi Buachi, police in Kofi Buachi and
but the Debbie,
Nyamiakwa Kofi Buachi Kasafri here. Okay, Kofi, and one ID card. And one ID card no so.
And one ID card.
Kofi Adasene also frail no pay. So for Moses Kwame Obin Pinka. So for fans, no. So for no pay chiao. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
But your friend Sammy Suga, because they're free.
But you no pay.
No pay. Me share cut of war and crime say. One bit me every new on March no.
Okay.
About this.
Same me show yes show mun cry no. Yan kai so say a stadium be ball mu chi don man e man so timi koyi.
I'm patron, omumra stadium.
Now, who so brebi?
Never. Some say take it no me Diana.
But what's the in the full name near there?
Your friend is Sammy Odro Samuel.
Samuel Odro. All right. 6 more minutes to the hour 12 by Beko Peace Akofa Kasebo. And what DJ Rock Eddie Adembeba was trying to Haman Subeba. Hello, good morning.
The sports commander.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you said, authentic one. Hey, Nipaila Modia. What dog me? Asafo. Going police station. Hope. What you say? Nana Bedi.
But you don't know ID card, so.
Daniel Quatri.
Okay. What ticket to her?
Fantastic one. Now, James Shini, sports commander. When you say Adebaku, me Hamepa, a project, you could see campaign. So what's the deal? Because you go much beer. I think you're costing you over Bayara. Let's go to a doctor. The be a team yaba aware. As we should go, make catch your go Sakaria.
Kotoko defense in country say, almost yachna, or Mati Sober by Tia Chad, or one good crowd. Why?
Commander, so country my
okay. Men so me da say, come not do for the governor phones and open me chiao. 31st, ye call a yes such a kwamai. O mame pinama, you know. You better never be Jina. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. On the radio, no cry, Timaso. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But one of my Sakani.
If I Ernest Uzuni.
Ernest Uzukasafi here.
If I am Kasafi Hokoso.
Okay, Ernest, I'm not paying. Okay, Ernest, dear. Bacho will take it to her. Fahanaji, Ochina, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. All right. Mwamoko Boas, no ticket no how Mumajin call Lankley Sports Stadium. Don't call me, we me the chow qua. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Batwani Esakani.
Nana Puku ni medodi maduma.
Nana Puku anopei.
Na men kan se pato de se obi ama stadium. Aya mbo chira.
Okay.
Amafo kan se se try consider. Na mbo chira anya juma. Na consider so no so kotokoso. E be wi ne akola fa training.
Eyo mo amasema. Na bia ehwe pete takam kan sa asem na mo be kan esem a.
Oh, na mbo chira.
Ya da si piano pe na Puku o meduma won so no e wo ticket wa ha. Hello.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
But we Kwadwafo Akwa just so.
Kwadwafo Akwa kasa firi he.
Just so oni.
Okay, Kwadwa no pay.
We dey Kotokofo na na eta omachi. Omo bi twa omo fo ne. Na but you take it menya bi.
Kwadwo o ticket to half na je. Why?
You ma
3 more minutes now. Yes, sorry so. NNT menchia Mr. Eric B. Payless phones. Honorary Auntie Helena. Hello, good morning.
Commander.
Yes, sir.
Na ho te sen.
Ye wa dia cha yo.
Mi dia ni Kumasi Asiedu Nketia.
Kumasi Asiedu Nketia no na wo ID card no so.
Douglas Amo.
Nka obe hu say yes e wu mu. Douglas anopay.
Okay, Kotokofo no je pese che na mi adoma. Akosida na che so mbreak akosida ni nyina che.
Akosida bia case bia ni ho. Mamo mfa ma no kranko kasa asem no.
Pese ye akosida bia o park ni so wono mi nya wen ene ni di Kumasi a.
E cha ye win. Why?
Na no obi anka bibia che.
Thank you. Na dan su man kwa hene no nka hwe nti obi anye di na ye nkobo ye ball. Ye da CP. Mami Jamfu baby love. Mami Machen anopay unso wo hwe. Hello, good morning. Yes sir.
Commander
Danko no ID card no so. Okay, what ticket?
Okay, I'm going to na me dia me hine kanu kule so to me say ai Nigeria so che Ghana dia o ntino o ka se support the zombe me na plaza ba e mo zamo maza mu ba be na mo le nko why na good background
Danko bi da se Ebusia Freddy si ha ya. Ye ko Peace 104.3 akoto aso. Omo efre no bia amra no meje ne ticket. Obi amra no meje ne ticket. All right, 2 more minutes to 12. About 12 for your Peace 104.3. Enochi DJ Rock beba. Rock and so ba. Ya di ada dem no na ebro. Sabe ndum yenu no abane sa. Nti wanti yanka bi wa. Ye ko Peace 104.3 FM. Ya fa me Samuel Joakim Bukim. Commander ni yakramo.
Hello. 101.5 FM.